Mino na Iran yung iterbom hakan ng kapor. Ong ka Amerika. Ka United States of America kal hukum yakinong Amerika. Kibasa ha Iran. Makin mino na Iran kem na penslam. Namar omdon jara pladakari Amerika. Kan terbom ka Iran hakan ng kapor. Kane kajing hukum jong kari Amerika. Kadai kajing bom syong suksong sengan Iran. La arta yo menta. Namar kajing ki jong kipaj ba berpenklam no ka sorkar ha Iran. Palasan sepangut kibru kelayap ha Iran. Tentu biki pajbak nong eki mat ki bor pahara kemas fajar terus pangut ki nong eki kila syakem lakhang no iki network bat ki internet ha Iran nakadau jong kajing eki ka bajur ka Iran kala berngem mat tepato ki nong US ki basa ha Iran kumta ka US kala hukum badai ban mino kloi na Iran namar la jai ka US kamla ban yarab ka White House press secretary jong ka US ka Caroline Leavitt kalau orang bau Presiden Donald Trump ulabu baru kimon jung hapok mi maka jing terbom ke Iran kadai ka wena kimon jung ka badon hamid naka jing kren jung ini tei kumtangi sotu sai bau Trump ulaban terbom ke Iran hakan no gopor
strikes off the table in Iran, and does he believe there's a potential path to end the protest there without military action?
Well, I think one thing President Trump is very good at is always keeping all of his options on the table, and airstrikes would be one of the many options that are on the table for the commander-in-chief. Diplomacy is always the first option for the president. He's told all of you last night that what you're hearing publicly from the Iranian regime is quite differently from the messages the administration is receiving privately, and I think the president has an interest in exploring those messages. However, with that said, the president has shown he's unafraid to use military options if and when he deems necessary, and nobody knows that better than Iran.
President Trump Steve Witkoff talking to the Iranians at the moment.
I understand that Steve Witkoff will continue to be a very important player in diplomacy with respect to Iran.
What did the president mean the last night when he said that Iran had called to negotiate and that there may be a meeting that is set up?
I mean, what else do you want me to explain by that?
Who would be a part of that?
There was an official from the Iranian government, I believe it was reported earlier, that reached out to a member of the president's very close team, Special Envoy Witkoff, expressing a far different tone than what you're seeing publicly.